What's up, Chiliz Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Chiliz. What's the current price of Chiliz? What's the price and in the Chiliz in this video? I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. You know what? It is time the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba. This all coin is time price change occur, and this coin is negative. If the price is negative, so that means that the price is falls down. Price is going down, my friends. So how you can save yourself from loss? In this video, I will show you, my friends. And my friends, Chiliz price is also going down. You can see here, my friends, that the pricing is negative. But my friends, the latest last 60-minute pricing is positive. The current price is 0.02333949 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chiliz, my friends. Furthermore, the pricing is negative. So my friends, that's clear. That's clear for everyone that we are on the loss. Let me show you the price chart for more and better understanding, my friends. My friends, from this chart, everyone can understand. Everyone can understand that we are on the loss. If the price chart is going down, so this means that you're in the loss. And if the pricing is negative, so this means that you're in the loss. So at this time, the Chiliz pricing is negative, so we are in the loss. We are in the loss. How you can save yourself from loss? My friends, I think that's my personal advice for all of you, that holding is the only way at this time to save yourself from loss. If you hold, so there is a possibilities to the price will pump in the future and you will get profit. Otherwise, if you decide to sell on this price, on the current situation, so you are in the loss, because the current price is very low and it's clear that you are in the loss. What do you think about that? What is your opinion? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.